Havco is the original pioneer of composite floor technology. Our newest generation of fusion floor has been proven to stand the test of time. How did we prove it? We gave our composite floors a full review. We examined and tested samples from composite floors that had been in service for 10 years. How did these Havco floors perform after spending 10 full years in the field? The results were nothing short of amazing. Even after 10 years of daily use, the top side of the floors were in remarkably good condition, showing little or no damage and still perfectly flat with no visible cupping or warping. The underside of the floor was even more impressive. Let's take a look. The composite layer was not only intact, there were no signs of delamination or other types of failure. That's especially impressive after a decade of heavy loading and unloading. Next, we removed some of the floorboards for a closer examination. Shown here is a cross-section of the floor from the midsection of the trailer. This sample showed no evidence of debonding of the wood components or delamination of the bottom composite layer from the wood. During our strength tests, we discovered that even after a decade of consistent everyday use, the Havco composite floor retained an amazing 80% of its original flex strength. And the composite floor was still approximately 20% stronger than a brand new laminated oak floor. Today, our newest version of this remarkable technology, Fusion Floor by Havco, is over 15% stronger than the first generation composite floor tested in this study. But there's one thing all generations of Fusion Floor have in common: exceptional durability. The following clips were shot underneath two separate trailers, one with a standard laminated hardwood floor and one with a Havco composite floor, while each was being loaded by a heavy-duty forklift carrying a paper roll. We recorded the sound of each loading application with a decibel meter. As you can see and hear, the standard laminated hardwood floor makes considerable noise as it flexes under the weight of the forklift. The cracking you hear is microfractures forming in the floor. These fractures will accumulate over time and eventually lead to large cracks and eventually floor breakthrough and failure. Now see the same test performed with Fusion Floor. Notice how much quieter it is. The floor still flexes, but it is quieter because the floor is resistant to fracturing. The composite underlayer protects the upper wood layer, extending the service life of the floor. Best of all, Fusion Floor is nearly maintenance-free, delivering excellent trade-in value. That's why over 180,000 composite floor kits have been installed in trailers since 2000. Our customers know that when it comes to proven ROI, Havco is the best in the business.